Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the topic blood cells from the chapter circulatory system. In previous class I am already explained to you the topic what is meant by circulatory system, what is a blood, what is plasma. So the blood contains the two parts, one is a plasma and second one blood cells. Today I am going to explain the topic blood cells. The blood cells contain the three different types of cells. One is RBC, WBC and the blood platelets. RBC, the full form, red blood cells. Red blood cells. What's the other name of the blood cells? That's erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. Second one, WBC, white blood cell. White blood cells, the full form. And what's the other name of the WBC? Leukocyte. And the third one, blood platelets. These three cells are very important for the human life. Each cells having different function for controlling, for helping human life. First upon RBC. So RBC means red blood cells, otherwise erythrocytes. This RBC having different roles and different functions in the human life. Now I will give some examples, some of the important functions of the RBC's first one. It is a complex chemical compound. It is called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, which has iron. So the iron is most important minerals in the human body. Iron. So this iron content present only in the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin means that give the red color. It's a red pigment that's given the color of the blood. So it is a complex compound, complex chemical compound, that's a hemoglobin. Hemoglobin having iron content. Iron content. So here the hemoglobin mixed with the oxygen, means reacted with the oxygen into form a oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. What is mean by oxyhemoglobin? That's a mixing with the hemoglobin and the oxygen into form the blood is called oxyhemoglobin. That means that blood contains the rich high amount of oxygen. High amount of oxygen. So that's called oxyhemoglobin. So this oxyhemoglobin supplied to all the lungs to all tissues. For what purpose? All cells or all tissues very necessary in the presence of oxygen. Very important in the oxygen. Without the oxygen, a human life can't produce any kind of activities. They have never shown any metabolic activities. That's why oxygen is very necessary in the human life. So we are breathing, that lungs is also filtered the oxygen. After this filtered oxygen sent to the bloodstream. The blood is also blood mixed with the oxygen into forming oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin transferred to the whole tissues in the human body. So it's very necessary process. So mature cells, mature RBC or mature cells are minute, very small in size, and the shape by concave shape and disc shape. So it is natural, means in mature cells are minute and biconcave and disc shape. So here this point is also given about the structure. It's a small minute type and disc shaped and biconcave shape. Concave. Okay. And what is the lifespan? What is the lifespan of the RBC? So it is only the 120 days. Only 120 days. So in the human, adult, what happened? There is so these cells having no nucleus. So this nucleus compressed and going to form the space for the hemoglobin. So in the case of newborn baby, having nucleated. The red blood cells having nucleus only in the newborn babies. So the humans means adult persons, what happened, that nucleus is also decreased as in the space of the nucleus formed the hemoglobin. So this hemoglobin is also flexible. Flexible means it is while given the force by bending time, what happens, that cell is going to compress, bending. Okay. So these are the main features of the blood. Its other name erythrocytes, and it contains a complex chemical compound is called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin having iron, and the hemoglobin mixing with the oxygen means reacting with the oxygen into form a oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin transferred to the lungs to all tissues of the human body, and it is as minute and biconcave and disc shaped, and the lifespan of the RBC is only 120 days. And the next one, WBC, white blood cells or leukocytes and the blood platelets, will explain to you on next class. I hope all of you understood this topic, RBC, red blood cells or erythrocyte. Thank you.